So yesterday there was a misunderstanding between ama-Malawian nationals and the South African police services, where nama-nationals lanka asithola sewashaya amaphoyisa ngamatshe, ngey'nduku, nangey'tina, yangithola. So mangele ukuthi kuyenzakalani, yabo? So iNewsroom Africa yayibuza i-commissioner yaseMalawi ukuthi kuyenzakalani, what's going on, why labantu laba ba-attack amaphoyisa, yangithola. Ithi commissioner, there was a misunderstanding, yabo, because labantu laba they thought ukuthi they were being taken to eLindela, yabo, and bona abafuni ke eLindela. So that's why bebashaya amaphoyisa ngamatshe, yangithola. So for a moment I'm like, so if there's a misunderstanding between ama-citizens or ama-illegal foreigners in this instance, does it then justify ukuthi kumele sishaya amaphoyisa ngamatshe, yabo? If amaphoyisa understandani thina now as ama-citizens, does it then now justify ukuthi sekumele soshaye ngamatshe, yangithola? Nonetheless, Monday eLimpopo there was a protest by ama-Zimbabweans, yangithola, and igcine sekuyenzakalani, igcine sekusha indlu yomuntu, yangithola. Tuesday there was a protest by ama-Malawian nationals eSherwood, yangithola. Wednesday there's a clash between amaphoyisa and ama-Malawian nationals, where ama-Malawian nationals ashaya amaphoyisa ngamatshe, yangithola. Same time yesterday, Wednesday, eMayfair eJohannesburg, ama-Somalian citizens or ama-Somalian nationals now bewashisa imoto, yangithola, bewa-attack ama-citizens. So I was patiently waiting for the media ukuthi ifike kubo labantu laba abaprotesta, kubo labantu laba abashisa imoto, kubo labantu laba abashaya ama-citizens namaphoyisa ngamatshe, ukuthi bababuze ukuthi so how do you feel njengoba attack ama-citizens, yabo? And lize laphela ilanga patiently waiting ukuthi bababuze, patiently waiting ukuthi bayidocumente le violence le eyenzakalayo because ama-illegal foreign nationals in this nation, yabo. But nonetheless, later on, a commissioner yase-Durban, South African Police Services, iphume out condemn la thing, yabo. Ukuthi there's no justifiable reason to attack amaphoyisa, even if there is a misunderstanding. So as lama foreigners lanka abehave kanje, even nabantu who were against Imagine March, they are now becoming neutral, yangithola. Even nabantu who were for Imagine March, they are now becoming more for Imagine March, yangithola. Even nabantu who were neutral, they are now for Imagine March, yangithola, because these people are causing anarchy in our nation, yangithola. But what do you think about this violence caused by labantu laba fighting against our police, banning infrastructure yethu, bashisa imoto zethu, bashaya ama-citizens ngamatshe nangemoto? What do you think about that thing? Do you think maybe it is justifiable ukuthi if there's a misunderstanding labantu laba they are allowed ukuthi bashaya amaphoyisa ngamatshe, balwe namaphoyisa, or that thing nje is completely wrong?